Kwa majina?
Mildred Natasha.
And you?
Faith Nyaboke. Mildred Asuma.
Where do you go to school?
In Kisii campus.
Class?
8.
Class 8. Okay, what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a doctor.
And you?
I'm going to become also a doctor. A surgeon. A surgeon.
There's so many doctors in Kisii campus, primary.
Yeah.
So if I may ask you, how many seconds make a minute?
60.
60 seconds. You?
Yeah.
What?
How many seconds make a minute?
60.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds.
How many minutes make an hour?
6 minutes.
60 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How many seconds make a minute?
60.
How many seconds make a minute?
60 seconds.
Kisii FM TV.
Yay!
Naitwa Maina.
Wewe?
Beatrice.
Nyinyi ni wanafunzi hapa Kisii University ama vipi?
Wanafunzi Kisii University. Nafanya English and Literature Education. Yeah.
So if I may ask you, how many seconds make a minute?
Seconds make a minute inakuwa 60 seconds.
Kirefu cha ATM. ATM ni initials. What is the full meaning of ATM?
Automatic Teller Machine.
Automatic teller machine.
What?
Automatic teller machine.
Asante sana kwa wale ambao wanatazama Kisii FM TV online. Kama kawaida waone sio watu wazuri.